The Chesterfield Township Library has many valuable databases. You can find these databases from the Chesterfield Township Library website at www.chelibrary.org under the Learn tab near the top of the screen. Today we will learn about Auto Repair Source. This database includes up-to-date service and repair information for thousands of domestic and imported vehicles. All content comes from the original equipment manufacturers and includes step-by-step repair information, diagrams, maintenance schedules, parts and labor estimates, service bulletins and recalls. You will find service and repair procedures, wiring diagrams, technical service bulletins, maintenance schedules, and specifications. First, at the top of the screen, select your year, make, and model. And engine type. On the left of the screen, we'll give you all the categories of the database. This is a very helpful resource for both the car mechanic and the novice car owner. The maintenance schedule. You can search by miles or kilometers or months. To find a full listing of suggested maintenance to keep your car in up-to-date condition. Parts and labor provides searchable part number and prices for any work you may need to do on your vehicle. For example, this injector is estimated to cost $211, and here's the part number. The database also includes diagrams, which can be increased in size for easier viewing and can be printed as shown or fit the page. Other features include printing text only or printing text and images. I highly recommend Auto Repair Source for the car repair enthusiast and anyone who owns an automobile and wishes to know general maintenance procedures. Thank you.